Today's video I'm going to be making a big glossy slime, and the big one is going to look like this, and a small glossy slime, and we're going to be comparing them. I would have got a bigger container, but I just could not find one. Okay, so we're going to start off by adding in some of this Elmer's school glue. We're going to put it in a little tiny bit into our bowl. This is for the small slime, by the way. So yeah, about that big. Then after that, we're going to put in some hair conditioner. What am I going to mix with? Where did my mixer go? Oh, wait, right here. Okay, so then after that, we're going to put in some hair conditioner. If there's even any more left. Okay, that's good. And now we're going to put in some lotion. This is the brand that I got.
Perfect Purity.
That's the name of the brand. So we're going to put in about that much. This will make the slime be very, very, very stretchy.
And a little glossy.
Yeah, and a little glossy. So now we're going to put in some foaming hand soap, which before you add it in, be sure to shake it up. We're using this one because it smells like a cupcake. And I like the smell of cupcakes. And I do not understand this. Okay. There we go.
Don't put too much because it'll look like, unless you want cloud slime. But we're doing glossy slime.
It's not cloud slime, butter texture.
For real?
Uh-huh. Oh, and this little stuff that's leaking out, that's like the little scented part of it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now after that, we're going to, did I already add in water?
Mm-mm.
Okay, so now we're going to add in some water, which I have it in this little small container. Which also, if you're thirsty, you can drink the water.
Mm-mm.
I'm just kidding. I had slime in this. Okay, so, and now we're going to add in some baby oil. There's a baby in my oil.
To make it very glossy, you need a lot. Okay.
Wait, no, because we already added in lotion and hair conditioner. That's why this slime is going to be so glossy. Okay, so now we're going to add in some paint, which y'all guys can also use food coloring. Or y'all guys can skip this step.
Make sure you do it a little bit so it's not sticking to you because we've done that yesterday and
we fucked up.
Yeah.
Anyway, so
stir it.
Aries is going to stir that for me. And I'm going to stir it down. So I said that this one was going to be the miniature one, but it's looking really, really big. Normally I would mix it with a spoon, but you know, my spoon broke in the 2 videos ago. Oh yeah, by the way, this is Aries' channel. Aries is, what's the plural form of Aries?
Aris's.
This is Aris's channel, but I've been filming slime videos. Oh, we're also going to do a prank call video on my channel, link in the description.
There will be.
There will, if we don't forget, because we forget, we're forgetful.
I won't forget. I always rewatch my videos because they're very good.
You make me do the title and the description.
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm adding in some baking soda because we got off topic. Oh wait, more than that.
This is going to have to be for the big one, by the way.
Yeah, I know. I said this was going to be for the miniature one, but I lied because it doubled in size. Like, whenever I added in the glue, it was about this big, but now it's about this big.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now this is the fun part.
And then after she pours in the solution, I'll pause the video till it's done.
Because it takes us a while to knead it. Okay, so pretty much what y'all guys want to do is add in a little bit of contact solution and mix it up. And if it's like this and some of it is not clumping together, then add in a little bit more. And then once it gets to this consistency, y'all guys can go in with y'all's hands, which we do off camera, so pause. So I already put them in their containers because y'all guys probably do not want to watch me put them in their containers. So now I'm going to do some ASMR, which I made this charm earlier to put in it. So I'm going to do some ASMR for the rest of the video. This is the charm. Get a close up on the slime, Aries. Okay, now it's time to put this one back in its container and do the ASMR for the small little guy. The little guy. This one is not as clicky. Anyways, I hope y'all guys enjoyed the video. If y'all did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Oh man. And oh yeah, and also comment down below if y'all guys want a tutorial on this. Aries, anything you want to say?
Yeah, I got something to say.
Okay, what?
We're gonna be making lots of slime videos because it seems like you guys love them. So, yeah, that's about it.
Also, guys, if y'all guys want to know how to make this slime, then watch our previous video. This slime is really stretchy.
The best slime ever.
And it's supposed to be inspired by Glitter Slimes, which she is a famous slime shop, which it's inspired by her slime. I forgot the name of her slime. I just know that this is a butter slime, and it smells really good. And watch our last video if y'all want to know how to make it.
There will be a link to the video of how to make that confetti. I mean that cupcake.
Oh, and also, guys, here's all the ingredients that we used today. Yep.
And
subscribe down below to get notified whenever we make videos, and click the bell next to the subscribe button. And bye, guys.